Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a small Temu haul of last minute Christmas items. Let's get into it. So first off, I got these earrings. They are snowflakes. They are blue and they are purple and they are acrylic, so they're on both sides. Aren't those just so pretty? I got those for a really cheap deal. Everything that's in this video we got for a really cheap deal and really good deals. So there's some really good ones here. Okay, so next item, I guess, the earrings are first. Next item is this tin sign, and it is Dean from Supernatural. Now, I do want to note that this tin sign actually came very scrunched and bunched. This is after a couple of days of me flattening it. So I'm not going to take it out of the packaging just because I just got it flattened. But this is going to be for my mother-in-law for Christmas. She loves Dean. Okay. Next item we have here. I do want to note that I'm not sponsored by any means from Temu. This is all on my own dime. So it says Bazinga, and it is a canvas. And it has Sheldon Cooper. Now this came actually bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing. But I love the colors that they used for this. So this is going to be for my father-in-law for Christmas. But it is actually a canvas, so it's really nice material. I love that they put the fabric tape on it so that I can just roll it back up. Okay, now I do see that there's a little piece in here, so I'm going to take that out first so I don't lose it. It comes with a little hook. And this goes into one of the plastic pieces at the top here, because this is like a scroll but a canvas, and it is from Zelda, Legend of Zelda, and this is Majora's Mask. This is going to be for my son's father for Christmas, but I really like that it has its own holders as well for the wall. It's very nice quality. I love the colors of it. I may want one of these for myself. And then the hook just goes right into the top. There is a divot for the hook to fit into. And that's going to be really nice. And I believe that this popped up for a really cheap sale. I believe this was like a 1-cent sale. So I couldn't believe it. So I definitely grabbed it, and it's huge. So I'm definitely glad I did, because that's a cheap deal for Christmas. And he's going to adore that. And it's very nice quality. Like with its own holders and everything. It's extremely nice. Make sure I get that little piece in there. Perfect. Okay, and next is actually a 10-piece set. You may have seen in a few videos ago, I got, I believe it was a 5-piece set, and I got different ones as well. If you haven't seen that video, go check that one out. But this is just a 10-piece set of do-it-yourself DIY Therian masks. This is for my niece for Christmas. One of the things that she asked for, to be able to paint her own masks. Excuse me. Okay, and next we have is a couple stocking stuffers for my husband. Now this was one of the ones, I believe it came up as a really great sale or something, but he's gonna love it anyway. It's Beavis and Butthead as Breaking Bad. He is going to love that. It's a great little addition for a stocking. And the next pin that we have here is Donkey Kong. Now, I do want to note that on Temu, some of the Donkey Kong pins didn't have the DK logo on his tie, like this one does. So just watch if you do want the DK logo on there, because sometimes they don't have it on there. And there you have our small little touch-up Temu haul for Christmas. Let me know all your thoughts and questions in the comments box below. I wanted to say thank you so much for getting me to 200 subscribers. Yay! That's such an accomplishment. I can't believe I did that, especially before the year was over. Let's try to get that number higher, so make sure that you click that subscribe button. And especially if you're new here, welcome. Why don't you stay a while? Christmas is next week. Let me know, are you ready for Christmas this year? Are you still having to shop for everything? I know I'm done my Christmas shopping, but let me know in the comments below. Merry Christmas to all of those who celebrate. It is going to be next week, so I hope everybody has just a wonderful Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.